let's move to the next page. Now, which two pattern blocks make this shape? Let's check first. Which two pattern blocks make this shape? They mean this shape, of course. This one. Okay, now describe how the two blocks are put together. Here they draw a line, so it shows that we use here a hexagon, and here we used a triangle. So we circle that triangle and we circle the hexagon. But I have some questions for you. Describe how the two blocks are put together. Those two blocks, those two parts, those two shapes. Excellent. I can hear someone saying to me, a side of the triangle touches one side of the hexagon. Excellent. And we can see it here. To create the shape, this shape, we put a hexagon and a triangle where a side of the triangle touches one side of the hexagon. What do you notice about the sides of the hexagon and the triangle? I'm waiting for you. What do you notice from those sides, about those sides of the hexagon and triangle? Is there a side longer than the other side? No. Excellent, they match. They are of the same length. See? They are of the same length. Now, suppose you could use 3 blocks, not only 2. Here, we used it only 2 blocks. Now, I want you to think about using 3 blocks. Which 3 blocks could make this shape? Let's think about it. Now, a hexagon can be excellent. It can be 2 trapezoids. And we have here the triangle. Okay, so if you have to use 3 blocks, you could make in order to make this shape, you can use the 2 trapezoids and 1 triangle, and those will be 3 shapes. But of course, this is an extra question. Here, we are going to use just the hexagon and the hexagon and the triangle. Now here, it says use 2 pattern blocks to make the shape. Draw a line. Do you remember when I told you before it's so important to know how to read the question? That's why English is so important, because you have to be able to read correctly in order to understand what you're asked to do in math. So draw a line is different from draw lines or draw 2 lines. Here it says draw a line, so you have only to draw 1 line. To show your model, circle blocks you use. Okay. Now here, question number 1. I want you to think about it. Which Which two shapes can we use in order to have this shape? Is it triangle? Can we use two triangles? Can we use rhombus and the hexagon? Let's see. Let's try to use the hexagon because here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I added the sixth side, we will have hexagon. And let's check the other shape. So here we have the hexagon. And here, what shape is this? Excellent, this is a trapezoid. So which shapes should I circle? The hexagon and the trapezoid. Now, question number 2. Which two shapes can I use in order to create this shape? I want you to think with me. Can we create using triangle, for example? This is one, but this is not a triangle, so this answer is not correct. Can we use a trapezoid? We can cut it like this. Okay, but what is this shape? So, no. The answer is no. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So can we think about the hexagon because it has 6 sides? Yes, this is a clearer answer because the trapezoid has 4, the rhombus has 4 sides, and the triangle has 3. So let's create the hexagon using this line. So this is side number 6. What is this shape? Excellent! I can hear you saying it's a rhombus. So here we will circle the hexagon and we will circle the rhombus. Good job, grade 1. Now let's move to